What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brando here from Brando View, and today we are checking out the Roar 3. This is an all-in-one Bluetooth speaker from Bass Boom. It's about $26.97 on Amazon right now, so about $27-30 or so. Really good price for such a pretty amazing Bluetooth speaker. It has really loud bass, it has really cool features, lots of different light modes. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna just go ahead and unbox it, check it out, and see what the deal is with it. Open it up. Instruction manual. A 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable, USB-C charging cable, standard, and you get the speaker itself right here. And you can see it has a little pull cord, bass booms on the bottom and top. See the sides, it's like a nice fabric material. See your ports down here, auxiliary, TF for your SD card slot, and your USB-C. 2400 milliamp hours is the capacity. You can see it has a nice stand on it, the bass booming feature on the bottom. You have your power button here. If you hold this for 2 seconds, it turns the device on and off. If you hold it for 10 seconds, it restarts the device. If you press it 3 times, it restores all the factory settings on here, forgets all the devices. And if you press it twice, you can switch between Bluetooth or auxiliary cable, 3.5 millimeter. Pause and play in the middle. Pause, play, volume up, volume down. Hold down for 2 seconds to skip to the next song. Hold down for 2 seconds to go to the previous song. Bass boost.
Normal. Bass mode.
Volume up. She sounds beautiful. She sounds really, really good, crisp and loud. You have your EQ button down here, which allows you to turn on the bass boost.
Bass mode.
And if you hold the EQ button down, this also does turn on the TWS pairing mode, which allows you to pair multiple of these in a row. So if you buy more of these, you can have like a surround sound in your house. You got a little microphone port up here and a battery life indicator at the top telling you 98%. And keep in mind, because this does have a USB port here, you can use this to charge your phone and stuff. And just to prove it, I have it plugged into the phone right now, and my phone is charging and recording this video at the same time. Here she is in the dark, and keep in mind this does have 5 different lighting feature modes, so you can see that this is one of them. You double click your middle button here, which is also your pause and play button. You can see all the different colors, and it fades on each one with different fading patterns between different colors. And regarding the Bluetooth pairing on the Roar 3, you don't really need to go into a pairing mode. It will automatically go into pairing mode whenever it's not connected to a device. So like I said before, you just go into your Bluetooth settings, you click Roar 3, it's gonna pop up and it's connected. Oh, it vibrates. We're just going to play a few songs now and go through some of the color modes.
Normal.
She sounds good. She sounds good. So there you go, guys. I'm not going to make this a big crazy video. The Roar 3 is an amazing sounding Bluetooth speaker. It has everything you would want: good quality sound, good lighting effects, good bass boom. You can actually see it physically moving on top there. All the features, the TWS, all the colors, the ability to put an SD card in here too. It's got everything you would want for $27, and it seems very durable too. I've already dropped it a few times, so if any of you are interested in purchasing one of these, there will be a link down below. It's about $27 right now on Amazon, and if you have any questions, drop them down for me below. And this is Brando from Brando View. Have a good day.